Hey there, having trouble with your vacuum cleaner? Not sure if it's a blockage or an overheating issue? Don't stress. Here at Wimmers Sewing and Vacuum, we know how essential your vacuum is for a happy home. From cordless to upright, stick to handheld vacuums, we've got some practical tips to troubleshoot your cleaner issues. And if you're dealing with more advanced troubles like vacuum pump difficulties, remember we're just a phone call away. So why wait? Dial 800-659-3585 or visit our website to schedule a repair. Let's get your vacuum back in action today with Wimmers. We're here to help you clean and create a happy home.